let's look at some properties that recently sold. Let's also dig into the history of the property and see how much it sold for years ago. Welcome to the Streetsville, Mississauga semi-detached beauty. It sold for $1.125 this year, but it was originally purchased 7 years ago, and that makes for a difference of $485,000 from the time it was purchased up until now. Taking it over to Cambridge, once again, we are looking at a condo town. Now, this one was purchased 5 years ago and most recently sold for $549,900. It's important to note the appreciation is just over $66,000 a year. Can you imagine selling a home that you purchased for almost $700,000 more than what you purchased it for? Welcome to Oakville, where this 3-bedroom plus 1 and 2 bathrooms sold for just that. For the difference the next property sold for, you can actually buy a condo in Toronto currently for the difference in price point. So welcome to Ajax, where we're looking at this 4-bedroom, 3-washroom, semi-detached property where it sold for a difference of $545,000. This Milton detached has got over $53,000 average on year in appreciation, which is incredible. It sold this year for $745,000 more than what it was originally purchased for. Lastly, let's look at this Guelph detached property that sold for $528,000 more than what it was originally purchased for, and it's a 3-bedroom, 2-washroom with 1 garage. Now, all that to say, the real estate market is one that experiences ebbs and flows, and despite that, I'm sure you can see the benefits of investing in real estate.